run as fast as you can. No one can catch me because I'm the Gingerbread Man.
The Gingerbread Man has run so long that the season has turned to winter. And it's Christmas time. A huge, sparkling Christmas tree has been placed in the middle of the city.
It's my favorite time of the year, Christmas Day.
While the Gingerbread Man was running among the gift packages left under the tree, he saw a small bakery in front of him. As he approached the bakery, he was stunned because there was a gingerbread girl in the window, fresh out of the oven. That's when the Gingerbread Man fell in love with the gingerbread girl.
Oh, what a beautiful gingerbread girl. Oh, those eyes.
She's perfect. A girl of my dreams. Wait! More sugar!
But that is not the recipe.
Trust me, Muffin Man, this girl's gotta be real sweet. I want someone who will love me forever.
I must warn you, Gingy. No one has ever made cookies with this much sugar. You are tampering with forces far beyond your comprehension.
Just put her in the oven. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. You're like a cookie angel. Wow! Dan, you're hot too!
Gingy, is it you? The one I was made for? Oh, we'll be together forever.
Sweet!
What are you making today?
Today, Gingerman!
I want to make a dino.
Dino Gingerman. Okay, we're gonna make some Christmas Gingermans and Dino Gingerman.
Dino. We making Gingerman. Today, Gingerman. Gingerman.
First egg, please. Just one egg.
Gingerman, doctor. You're going to Gingerman. I'm a dino, doctor.
Okay. Running mix is the base for our Gingerman.
Let's try, Mommy.
Try.
That's two ovens. That's two ovens.
We're adding some flour. Okay. First flour. JP mixed spice. 1 teaspoon. Baking soda. 1 teaspoon. Chocolate powder.
I'm sorry.
Teaspoon. And we're mixing nicely. Can JP find T-Rex? What JP found?
No, that's not the T-Rex. That's Lisa. Yeah. Yeah. One touch.
Do you like? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. In a one